Hello, hi guys. So today I'll be doing a painting on this homemade canvas of mine, and I'll be painting today on this table. So this table is a folding table. It can be folded in and out as per requirement. Today I'll be sticking this canvas on this like this, and then I'll be painting on it. Do it by. So this is my cello tape. So first I'll take a cello tape. So I will focus and then I will start painting. Here and the last one. So this is done. So now I'll paint it here. As I've seen, I have painted a lot on this table, and this is a bit dirty, but never mind, I can paint it here only. Let's get painting.
Today I'll be painting a still life composition. I'll try to make it a bit abstract. So for that, first I'm drawing the outline. Here I am using black for the outline, but you can use any other light color or a brownish color to give your outlines. So in still life composition, what is normal? That is bottles, fruits, then a vase, or maybe a glass of wine. Then here I have tried to include this ukulele, but because I really like playing ukulele, so I just tried to include it in my painting. And also, while painting the rough diagram, you need not be so specific, because while you are applying your paints on the canvas, they will get a bit lighter, but the more you add details, it will be vibrant and much more distinctive. The acrylic paints I have used is from Fevicryl, which comes in 20 ml bottles. While painting with Fevicryl, keep one thing in mind, that is it dries off very fast, so you need to work a bit faster. In this painting literally took me about 3 to 4 hours to complete. So make sure that you really do it a bit faster, because these paints really dry up fast, and that's a very bad disadvantage of using these paints for acrylic paint on canvas. So one tip for using these colors effectively is that when you are using one particular color, you can color it on other places of your canvas too, so that these colors don't get wasted. So what you can do is first paint a layer on the canvas, giving distinctive colors here and there according to your choice, and then you can wait for some time, and then you can start giving details. So I have here used black for outlines, as this is a what you say, this is a abstract painting, so I couldn't really use other colors for detailing. You can use other colors too, so I have used it to make it a bit simpler. So yeah, you can paint it like this only. But painting is experimentation, so you can do whatever you like. At the end of the day, if you have a bit of patience, it will turn out really good. So you can enjoy the process totally, and then you can get a very good result at the end of the day. So you can first color the background, like what I am doing here and there. Then you can start painting your objects, but you can do it either way also. But first painting the background and then painting the objects will be much more precise. It will give a much more precise look to your work. Now soon I will start giving outline to my objects here. So I'll be using black acrylic color, but one thing you should keep in your mind, that is you should wait for the first layer of paint to get dried, and then you should proceed for outlining, because often your hands touch the color and they get destroyed, smudged, and that's a mess, so you don't want it. So now just give some random colors on the background and then try to smudge it with the other colors too, and then you can go on to giving other details like shadows and all. uh, but you should first wait for the color to get completely dried. But while smudging, you should keep one thing in mind: both the colors you are smudging should not be dry actually. In this painting, I have started detailing of shading in with the ukulele first here. So you know what? I have used a makeup brush, which is used for blushing, I guess. I don't know what is that, but which is used for makeup application only. So I have used that for graduating purposes, so that I get a very good smudging of both the colors. Sorry guys if I have taken the wrong term for makeup, but as I have lesser knowledge in it, so please forgive me. I hope you are enjoying the process, but for this you really need to keep a bit of patience and a bit of joy in enjoying the process actually. So then it will turn into a really beautiful piece of art, because when I was painting this I was also feeling like giving up, but I am using acrylics, so they really get dried faster, so I really couldn't give it a halt, and then I couldn't really move on to doing some other work or something like that. I really hope that people enjoyed the whole video, and also you have learned a bit from me, maybe. Or if you love watching this type of videos, then you can obviously subscribe to my channel, and you can watch more such videos in my channel. And I try to post every alternative day, but due to some other work I can't really do it. But as painting is my passion, I just can't live without it. I create every single day. I try to create every single day. I really enjoy painting a lot, like a lot. After at the end of the day, it gives me happiness and enlightenment in all other way. If you like this artwork, then you can really give it a try and recreate my artwork, and then you can tag me on Instagram also with your artwork, and I'll really like that someone has really enjoyed my artwork and would be really happy if someone recreates it.